Klaus Roofing, where it's your home and our excellence. We're 100% 5-star rated. We're roofing Colorado Springs. Attention homeowners. Do you need your roof replaced due to an insurance hail claim? Is your insurance company threatening to drop you if you don't replace your roof due to old age, discontinued, or unsafe shingles? Are you selling your home and the buyer's insurance company won't insure the old, discontinued, or unsafe shingles on your home? If so, make sure you hire Klaus Roofing, your local roofing contractor in Colorado Springs. Make sure you do not use shady or out-of-state roofers. Even though many of these out-of-state storm-chasing roofers promise you the world, they often don't deliver. And that means they use high-pressure sales tactics to get you to sign misleading documents on the spot, promise you more than they can deliver with no real proof, use inferior products to pad their pockets with higher profits for themselves, don't know our local county roofing codes, and don't have local or quality crews to follow those codes. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Many of them prey on and take advantage of the elderly. They set up fake offices just to appear local. They aren't properly insured or locally licensed. And when they move on to the next hailstorm, they aren't there for you when you need their warranty work. It also means your money leaves with them and they don't contribute to our local economy. And worst of all, they often don't even order or deliver your roofing materials, and they'll take your insurance money and skip town, leaving you holding the bag without any way of paying for your roof replacement and other hail claim projects. But luckily for you, there's a much better solution. Klaus Roofing can help. Hi, my name is Jeff Klaus, and I'm the president and owner of Klaus Roofing. Who are we and how do we know all this? Klaus Roofing is a local, family-owned and operated, licensed and insured roofing company right here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We're an award-winning roofing contractor, accredited with a BBB with an A+ rating, Google guaranteed, and 100% 5-star reviews everywhere. We have no unsatisfied clients. We have over 23 years experience in the housing industry. We are certified GIF and Owens Corning preferred contractors. We know how insurance companies and hail claims work and know how to help you navigate that entire process. We work with all types of insurance companies, hail claims, and roof replacements. We do more than just roof replacements too. We also replace gutters, windows and screens, repair stucco, and repair and stain decks and fences, as well as full house painting. Unfortunately, we've heard countless sad stories about how many of our local residents, friends, and families have been mistreated by these storm-chasing, out-of-state roofers. Klaus Roofing is doing its part in changing the bad reputation from these bad roofing companies in the roofing industry with honesty and integrity. Here's just a few of our many reviews about our excellent quality and stellar customer service. Klaus Roofing installed new roof and gutters on 2 of my properties in Lelaray Street in November 2018. The bid was clear and competitive, the work was of good quality and performed in a timely manner. I plan to use them again, and I would recommend them to anyone. Klaus Roofing were so good they put a new roof on our house twice this summer from 2 separate hail claims. They did a very professional job both times. Both times they repaired our roof that was due to the hail damage from last summer. I would recommend them to anyone. I enjoyed working with Jeff. There was no drama, everything went as planned, and the final result was great. Here's what you get when you choose Klaus Roofing. Our proven top-notch Klaus Roofing system. 9 free upgraded latest technologies in roofing materials, 1 5 and 10-year workmanship warranties, upgraded shingles, $500 value, a limited time offer, clean up like none other. Contact us now and you'll get professional and knowledgeable Klaus Roofing representatives, on-time and thorough consultation, detailed and accurate estimate, helpful and friendly team, satisfaction guaranteed. Get on board with Klaus Roofing now. If you want an honest, local, licensed and insured, award-winning, 100% 5-star rated roofing company that uses the latest technologies and materials, manufacturer's warranties, standard upgraded products, workmanship warranties, contact us now to schedule a free roof inspection, in-home consultation, and estimate today. We'll be out in a jiffy. Warning though, you need to act fast. These upgraded shingles for a limited time offer is only available for the next 2 weeks. Give us a call. Check us out online. With Klaus Roofing, it's your home and our excellence.